UV resin, crystal clear hard type glue, ultraviolet curing resin for jewelry making, craft decoration, transparent solar cure sunlight activated resin for resin mold, casting and coating, 120 grams, easy to use, different from AB resin which needs to mix and takes long curing time. Our art resin is ready to use and no need any preparation. Instantly cure hard in minutes with UV light or sunlight. Premium, ultraviolet resin cures crystal clear, glassy finish that provides excellent scratch resistant, stain resistance and yellowing resistance. And it can make your crafting easier with its self-leveling and self-degassing characteristics. Widely used, the clear UV glue can be used for casting and coating applications such as crafts decorations, jewelry making, garment accessories, encapsulate objects, make resin paintings etc. Safe, our hard type craft resin is made of high quality, non-toxic materials that are safe for everyday use. Environment friendly. Economical, 100% money back guarantee. Great value for the price. Comes with 120 g, 4.2 ounces, transparent UV adhesive which perfect for craft making. Click add to cart and bring you better craft enjoyment. Click the link in the description to get this product.